Hey everybody, Happy New Year, welcome back. So what we're doing today is we are pressing the studs into our super bearing from Artec. We took some parts out of our ball joint press kits to help prop this up on our shop press. We're using this socket here to get clearance because the press is wider than where the stud's going in, so this is helping us press it in. So I'm gonna press this in really quick. Nearly there. Okay, so that stud is done, it's pressed in, and it's just really important to remember when you're doing this that whatever you're using to help you press it in, that it's deep enough to accommodate the stud. Originally we were going to try something like this, but it wasn't quite deep enough, so that's why we went with the ball joint press kit parts. So we're actually going to take a look at the one that I've already finished. We already put it inside our wheel. Pull it out of here. Okay, so we have one of our completed ones here. What we did is we actually grabbed one of the wheels and we double checked our bolt pattern against the wheel to make sure we were going in the right direction. This super bearing can either do an 8x170 bolt pattern, or it can do 8x6.5. We went with 8x170. Like I said, it matched our wheel. So this is the old wheel bearing that came out of the junkyard axle. We still need to get these studs, get a new set of these studs to install on our super bearing, but we do have our wheel speed sensor. So what we did is we made sure that we got a wheel speed sensor that plugs into our new super bearing and into the JK computer. As you can see here, they are a little bit different, but what this will do is it'll plug into the computer and it'll prevent any lights on our dash and all of that fun stuff. If you're looking for it, this is what we got.
Okay.
So what we're going to be doing with the rest of our New Year's Day is finish pressing these in. We're cutting some stuff, some brackets off of the Jeep, and we're going to spend the rest of the day making a plan for 2020 and finally finishing this build. I hope you all have a happy new year, and we'll see you soon.